Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this world of containerization, let's talk a little interesting topic today, which is software security, especially focusing on container images. If you develop application, you likely rely on container images to package your code and dependencies. But have you ever stopped to think about the security of those images? Traditional images can be bloated with unnecessary software and riddled with vulnerabilities. This is where the Chainguard images comes in. So, what are Chainguard images? Chainguard images are pre-built container images designed with security in mind. They are based on popular languages and frameworks like Python, Node.js, and Java, offering a secure foundation for your applications. Here's what sets Chainguard images apart. The first one is minimal footprint. They are much smaller than traditional images, reducing attack surface and improving the deployment efficiency. The next one is zero known vulnerabilities. ChainGuard images are meticulously scanned and curated to be free of known vulnerabilities. This saves you time and resource on security patching. Signed and attested. So ChainGuard images are digitally signed to guarantee their authenticity and immutability. Additionally, they come with attestation that verify their security posture. And finally, what are the benefits of using a ChainGuard images? By incorporating ChainGuard images into your development workflow, you can strengthen your software supply chain security. You'll have a solid foundation for building a secure application from the ground up and reduce development time. No more wrestling with vulnerabilities or managing bloated images. Improve application performance. Smaller image size leads to faster deployments and smoother runtime experience. Ensure compliance with security regulations. The transparency and auditability features of ChainGuard images make them ideal for regulated environments. And the final question, how to get started with ChainGuard images? Using ChainGuard images is easy. They are available on popular container registries like Docker Hub. Simply search for the image you need based on your desired language or framework. Let me go through a quick demo on how we can search for a ChainGuard image on Docker Hub. And I will provide the link in the description. If you have any doubts or if you want any detailed documentation and tutorials to help you get started with, you can always feel free to check out the website and the link that I will provide in the comment section or the description box. So, in today's digital landscape, securing a software supply chain is critical. ChainGuard images offer a powerful solution to build secure and reliable applications. Give them a try and experience the difference for yourself. Like this video and subscribe for more content on software development and security. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on ChainGuard images. Visit the ChainGuard website to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching.